The first coat is done on everything. I started off with the brush, just going around trimming it, and then I ended up doing the whole thing with the brush. I am gonna do the underneath of the cabinet, just on the bottom part, because the sides and back were pretty much okay. And then the mirror, I want to take the blue tape off because I don't want to dry on all the way on it because it'll stick and be a little bit harder to take off. And then the lights were actually pretty easy to go over. There's a gap kind of in between the fixture itself and the wood. All right, time to roll.